Well, this is the start of a new vlog. I am your hostess with the mostest, D Infinite. So let's jump right into it. I told y'all on my last vlog that I started school. It's going pretty good. It is very challenging though. And it's also virtual, but we just had an in-person event. It was a financial literacy class. That's what you guys just seen. And now I decided to stop for a little solo lunch date. We're at Slim Chickens. I have a chicken sandwich with garlic parmesan sauce, and then I got some french fries and a raspberry tea. I was on my way home and I seen this thrift store called Thrift for Good, and I decided to go in and see what they had, not knowing that it was going to send me into a whole mental spiral about how just 10 years ago when you were spotted in a thrift store, you were seen as ugly, dirty, broke, and now everyone who ridiculed you back then are now glorifying the same thing. It's shocking to have lived through the shame of poverty and survival mode, and now I see it advertised like it's vintage gold. That contradiction and hypocrisy clocks just how performative and fickle society really is. We're all out here trying to cope, to feel like we have some kind of control in a world that's loud, unpredictable, and often unfair. Whether it's money, drugs, religion, gym culture, or aesthetics, most of it is a mask that we all wear to feel safe. We can all relate to wanting to feel valuable and in control of something. Let's admit that we're all winging it. So the only freedom is in being authentically you, living how you want, dressing how you want, loving who you want. Because at the end of the day gotta end and they're gonna talk about you like a dog regardless. The next morning, I woke up with a heavy heart and a cloudy mind, so I decided to go to Prayer Mountain. I've never been here before, but I've heard so many good things about it, so we get to experience it together.
Talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah, baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Visiting Prayer Mountain was amazing. I can literally marvel at the beauty of nature for hours at a time. Surprisingly, it was super busy though, so I didn't really get to chime into my mind and meditate or pray as much as I wanted to. I had to get home and get to class on time. And lucky for me, while I'm in class, I get a little cuddle buddy. She is such a snuggle bug, but y'all, she is a paid actress because I have to be on camera in class and this girl will be climbing on my shoulders, getting all into the frame, meowing when I have to turn my mic on and everything. I just found out that graduation for this course is in July. Y'all know my birthday is the last day of July, so obviously that is going to be a huge month on this channel for us. Now after class, I needed to go to one of my favorite grocery stores, Central Market. Had to get some cute little snacks because we're going to a movie in the park. To know me is to know that I am the free connoisseur, so of course this movie in the park experience is free of charge. And y'all see this? That sandwich was $8.99. I got my sandwich and my chips for $5. $5.93. Y'all can't do it like me. Let me stop playing with y'all, friend. Now, after this, I hauled all my things to the park and we finally made it, y'all. I was actually by myself for this. Living solo and single in Dallas is such a conundrum. But I literally have a tattoo on my back that says be afraid and do it anyway. So I made my fruit tray, got my sandwich and my snacks, and I decided to come and enjoy this movie in the park by myself and love on my own energy. I got my Synergy kombucha. I'm a guava goddess.
Like this, make sure to follow at Uptown Dallas on Instagram. And we are so happy to have you here. We have 2 more. Next week will be 10 Things I Hate About You. And then the following week on the 29th, we'll end with Miss Congeniality. So thank you so much for coming. The movie will be starting very shortly.
Yeah, clock that. Don't play with her. Got my sandwich. I'm good to go. I'm going to enjoy my energy, enjoy myself, and we're going to do this together because I had to realize I am never alone. As long as I got this camera, y'all are with me. I am building my community brick by brick. This season, I've been called to stand alone and strong in my own energy. So I'm trying to do exactly that. When it gets hard, I got to remember that I got to go harder. But thank y'all for coming to my TED Talk. The Yap session is over because the movie is starting, friends. So I'll see y'all next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.